Refilling a 12.5 kilograms gas cylinder bottle from an LPG gas skid, using a nozzle gun typically involves the following steps. Safety precautions: ensure that all safety protocols are followed, including wearing appropriate protective gear such as gloves and goggles. Make sure there are no open flames or sources of ignition nearby. Prepare the cylinder: check the cylinder for any damage or leaks. Ensure that it is in good condition and suitable for refilling. Connect the nozzle gun. Attach the nozzle gun to the filling valve on the gas cylinder securely. Check for leaks. Before starting the refill process, check for any leaks around the connections between the nozzle gun and the cylinder. Use soapy water to identify any leaks. Bubbles will form where there's a leak. After disconnecting the nozzle gun, secure the cylinder. Ensure that the cylinder is securely capped and properly stored in an upright position. Clean any spills or messes and return the equipment to its proper place. Safety check: perform a final safety check to ensure that everything is in order before leaving the area. Always follow the specific instructions provided by the manufacturer or your local regulations when refilling gas cylinders to ensure safety and compliance. If you're unsure about any step, it's best to seek assistance from a professional.